Hey guys, today I'm gonna unboxing my package I got from Rasmus, and yeah, so I got the John C deck in a trade for my Berlinwood graphic deck, and I hope it's nice. If I can get it up here. And here's the flat face sticker, pretty awesome, and the John C deck. It's so awesome, and that was for the trade, and I got some extra, and I bought of him. It was the fisheye to the Nikon here, and it's pretty awesome. Let's see. Just try to take this lens off. It's pretty fucked up. Wait a second. It's so cold here you can't see. Fuck a damn thing. So yeah, but the John C deck is pretty awesome. Hey guys, yeah, the video, sorry, the camera just passed out because it ran dry for battery, so yeah, it was the most deck. It's so nice. The price goes from maple red, and maple. It's so freaking amazing. I really love this deck. The wing wheels and the black road trucks are they set up with, and actually I'm selling or trading this deck. I can remove the sticker if you want to, and it's pretty awesome. It's the Pawn Storm Berlinwood. So yeah, if you like white decks, you definitely should buy this deck. It's so freaking amazing, and the kicks are just, if you are looking to the Berlinwood, look at that kicks. It's just quite big, and I love it because it's easier for me to do tricks, and so that's nice. I love that. So, and it's 30mm wide, and this is 29, and well, I know it's just 1mm but I really can feel the difference. Yeah. So I also buy a fisheye of Rasmus. It's this, and I can't use it. That's some crap, because yeah, the camera here won't focus. I can test it out if you want to look. If I can get it on here. Come on, come on, yes. See, if you so like this and try to focus. One focus. It's that it can focus more. Try it. So that's some crap. So why selling it? And it's really amazing. By the way, so yeah, it's a 52 millimeters and and yeah, it's pretty nice. And it's a Vision optics called titanium digital wide lens from Japan, and it's awesome. So yeah, so I'm selling these two things. So just write a comment or PM me if you want to buy it. And the price we can discuss. We can discuss the price. So yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to comment, rate and subscribe. Yeah, bye.